See, generally, if you want to know what is the current position of the work object in the workflow, we are being provided with where am I. If you click on this where am I, it will display the current position of the work object in the currently running workflow for the transaction. So look at here. So one assignment is completed and it is there at the second assignment. Suppose if you complete this assignment also, it will go to next level of assignment. When it go to next level of assignment, if you click on where am I, this drop icon, dot icon is there, right? So it will display 2 are completed and third one. So where am I means it is going to display the current position of the work object and complete travels of the work object. What has happened so far? Like what are the flow shapes that have been completed? What is the flow path that work object has taken? Suppose you have multiple decisions and all. So at certain point of time, you want to know exactly what path the case has been taken during this transactional processing. Then you have to go ahead and click on, as a developer, you will be provided with this. For other people, it will not be available, other operators. So you can click on where am I, it will display the current position of the path work object. So now the same if you want to see on the clipboard. So if you go to clipboard page, so if you go to clipboard, under PY work page, work object data will be available under on or under PY work page. If you go to PY work page, under PY work page, we have PX flow. So PX flow, under that we have PX flow. What is the flow I have executed now? Begin BOA insurance and expand this, and here PY flow path. How many are completed? 1, 2. Now it is currently at third assignment. See, this is the first assignment that is been completed. So the second assignment is this one, and the third assignment is this one. So like this, PRPC will maintain the data of the flow path on under PY work page on an OOTB PX flow. What is the PX? Okay, under PX flow, this is a page group actually. I'll talk about page groups later, not now, no need to bother about it. And under that you have PY flow path. PY flow path is page list. You can see PY flow path of 1, 2, 3 like this. This is where PRPC is going to maintain the information regarding flow path information will be maintained on clipboard under PY work page as shown below. So like this. This is just for information I am giving you. Okay. So this is how PRPC is going to maintain the data about all assignments what are being completed. Complete flow path. It's not an assignment. What is the path that is? So based on this only you have the where am I user interface, right? So how that is visible to you? How PRPC knows? PRPC will come here and will read all this stuff. Okay. This is clear, everyone. So let me go ahead and create a case now.
Harsha, can you please show where did you click the where am I?
Okay, I will show you the where am I again. Look at here. Here you go. In any flow, we have that open assignments link, right? Beside that link, you have a icon, small icon is there. Drop icon is there. If you click on that icon, that will display where am I. Otherwise, if you have not modified your performance, in the performance you have a link provided. The link itself says the label is where am I. Both are same. Okay, that's why I removed that and everything and I have made it available. Okay, this is clear. Now this is through case design, right? I mean, like you have stages, steps and everything. So now go to clipboard. Here you go. PY work page. PX stage history and PX stage history of 1. So in 1, how many processes we have? 1 process is there. There are multiple steps. See, complete stage history will be maintained. So now this is again for information I am giving. Where is it? So when in case of workflows, you know what is the workflows related. When in case of we execute a case type, below is the clipboard hierarchy of what? Stage assigned, stages, comma, what will be there in stages? Processes and steps. So if you go back here and see case types, insurance, vehicle insurance case type. So in this, as of now, so far what we have executed only 2. That's why you see only 2. In the first stage, we have a process, and how many steps are there including decision? 3 steps. Second stage, we have 1 process, 1 step. If you go here to the clipboard, first stage it has 3 steps, 1 process, and stage 1. And in the second stage, you have 1 process, only 1 step is there. We are currently at auto detail step. So this information for stages will be maintained on clipboard under PX stage history. Cases, stages data will be maintained on clipboard under what? PY work page. What is the PX stage history? Like below, as shown below. Okay. So this is how VRPC will maintain the case processing path. In case of workflows, in case of case type rules, it is a different one. Okay, but both are more or less it is same ultimately. So this is about OOTB design and OOTB design of clipboard structure for the case processing center. So let's go ahead now, and this is completed, which I wanted to show you about the flow path.